Intrim Group is the industry leader in internal mouldings and panelling. Largely in wholesale till now, we've been asked by the residential building industry to go direct to market. When your customers request a styled home like Hampton, French Provincial, Colonial, Modern, Federation or Farmhouse, we're the company that provides the mouldings. This is our standard selection board. This is what you would install in your colour studio. We've given 6 simple designs for different types of homes, and we've also provided a wall panelling section for your customer colour coordinators to be able to sell from. It has 6 of the most common chosen profiles for particular styles of home. We have our Hampton style, which has 2 popular profiles. We have modern contemporary, coastal, Edwardian and country style. We also provide a sizing template which will help you with your customers. The important thing about this is that the 66mm is your standard, and then we have 90mm, 135 and 185. All of these profiles are designed to be between 90 and 185 or greater. So keep that in mind when you're upgrading. Our standard or recommendation for 2700 ceilings or higher is to have a 90mm architrave and a 135mm skirting board. So let's have a look at the boards individually. First of all, they come off the main display, so you can take them to your colour room or mood board selection. They are a 90mm architrave with a 135mm skirting board, set out in the standard way that we expect you to install this design. On the back of the board, we have ourselves a photo of a house which has the same skirting board and architrave in there for your reference. Also included is a QR code for your customer to request a sample. All they'll need to do is grab their phone in your display, take a photo, and it will directly be able to go through a sample request form for them to get their sample delivered to their home. Also included is a sizing board. We've provided a 66 by 18 half splay, which is your standard size. From there we have 90mm, 135 and 185. For most upgrades, your customers will go with a 90mm architrave and a 135mm skirting board, with 185 used for ceilings over 3 metres. Our SK342 is the most popular for modern homes. The difference is from most skirting boards that it is installed using a mitre in the corner to create the shadow line from your skirting boards up and over the door as the architrave. It's important that you notify your construction manager of this design change. We will send you the information required so you get this correct on site. This is a similar profile where it's been installed incorrectly. You can see that the shadow line is not continuous and is not mitred. You lose a lot of the visual effect by installing it in this way. The lower part of the board is to do with wall panelling, wainscot joinery, as well as our VJ board. Also provided is Covetto wall panelling as well, which is a very popular modern design that is being seen in a lot of display homes right now. Again, these can be removed and taken to your mood board station. On the back again is a photo of the particular wall panelling, and again the QR code for your customer to request a sample. Another great feature of this display board is if you remove these 2 sections, we can show you the actual wainscoting and how it looks in a home. Once those 2 boards are removed, you can see a 135mm skirting board and our 2 panels for wainscoting, and then a chair rail as well at 18mm. Obviously they'll be a lot larger in a home, but this gives an idea for your customer to touch and feel what wainscoting will look like in their particular project. Builders like yourself have identified an opportunity in the market to increase their profit margin by providing an upgrade option for your current skirting boards, architraves and wall panelling. It is well known, as you would know, that upgrades for home builders can dramatically increase their profitability. However, if an upgrade offering is complex, it becomes a burden on resources and scalability. We're seeing your customer demand choice more than ever, driven largely in increased awareness from social media platforms, influencers and shows such as The Block. Your customers desires a builder that can provide them with this interior. Intrim has taken the hassle out of offering an upgrade option to your clients. With a complete end-to-end solution for sample boards, selection rooms, competitive pricing, and our revolutionary new product called Fast Trim, a cut-to-length prescribed skirting board system. For further information, or for us to visit to do a presentation, please contact myself or the team here at Intrim.